Hi, welcome to Reading and Phonics today. Today we are going to review our sight words. If you remember, we have two words that we learned first, which were I and am. Now we have two new words, little and the. I'm going to hold them up. You guys say the words. Let me mix them up, mix them in. Ready? And one more time together. Ready? Say little, I am the. We have a new letter to talk about today, and that letter is I. I is a vowel, so I'm gonna teach you the two sounds. I says I and I. Say it with me. I says I and I. When we do the I sound, we're going to do it. We're gonna move our finger like we have an itch. I, itch. I, itch. I says I and I. Let's do them all together. Ready? A says A and A. B says B. C says K. D says D. E says E and E. F says F. G says G. H says H. And I says I and I. Let's talk about the I word for just a minute. Here it is, right here. I. Let's see if we can think of some things that start with I. 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 First thing I'm gonna do is draw an igloo, just like on the picture. Let's see if I can do it. Let me kind of look at this picture here. And then kind of a bigger one. Igloo. Kind of looks like an igloo, right? Kinda. Igloo. Next, I'm gonna draw this. Now this has the I sound, okay? I. Can you tell what this is? Wow, some messy ice cream cone. Ice cream. Now, what's something else that starts with I or I? How about this thing you put in your drink to make it cold? Ice cube. Ice cube. Igloo. Ice cream. Let's see if we can think of one more that says I. I have to think here. I can think of one, but I just don't know if I can draw it. It's kind of like a lizard, but this lizard does some color changing. So if it lives, if it's, oh wait, no it doesn't. I was thinking of a chameleon. Nope, never mind. Pretend I didn't say that, sorry. How about an iguana? I'm just trying here. I don't actually know how to draw an iguana. And I don't actually really super know what they look like. But maybe something like that. Maybe they don't have these little chicken, those look like chicken feet, but iguana. Iguana. Okay, so we have a few things that start with the letter I. I says I and I. iguana, igloo. Then sometimes I also makes the sound I, like ice cream and, ice cube and ice cream. Sorry, I'm kind of having a hard time today. Okay, so there's that. We did our letters and our sight words. Now I'm going to talk to you about syllables. A syllable, this is kind of a big word. A syllable is when it's a word part. So what we're going to do is we're going to practice. I'm going to say a word, and I want you to tell me how many parts are in the word. Now, the way we tell is by we hold our hand up to our chin, and when I say the word, like igloo, we count how many times our chin goes down. Igloo. Igloo. 2 times. So the word igloo has 2 syllables. Let's try another one. Let's try elephant. Ready? Put your hand up here and say it with me. Elephant. How many syllables does elephant have? 3. You can practice this at home. You can say your favorite animal and then tell me how many syllables it has. I wonder what you're going to pick. Let's try one together. Zebra. Ready? Zebra. How many syllables? 2. Sometimes we practice by clapping as we're talking. So if we were to do remember, ready? Remember. Remember. 3. Okay, so we're going to keep practicing syllables as we go along throughout reading. We've got lots of things to learn with reading and sounds, words and letters, and phonics is what it's called. Okay, talk to you soon.